Guys, this is Firestar recording on Warriors News. Well, today, you could see I'm going to be joined by Badger Star, which is Crystal, just saying, so you know, you can see the skin. Yeah. Well, let's just get to it. So, we didn't update that yet, so please join, like, and subscribe, and have fun. By the way, the port is b23773.leak.cc. That's the IP actually, and the port is 23773. So I hope you got that. If you didn't, just look at the other videos. So yeah. And well, this is updated. Not updated. Her sign just didn't update. So she's the leader of Lightning Clan because she built it. Told her she could be the leader. She does it. So those are signs and stuff. Then this is like what it's like in it. Apprentice's Den. Right, like here. It's a nice clan, so I would love if you could join the clan. I don't know, it's not my clan though. The nursery, this is Den, I already went in. Oh, and up here, that's the High Rock. So, you can see up here, it's... Well, the only thing that really attracts me that much up here is this lever. Because it's really awesome. Okay, well, let's move on. So down here, it says she built it. Stuff. Now it's just a bunch of awesome dot stuff. I don't know. No, I give up. You probably don't know why I said that. Oh, and someone broke the rules. Literally. They literally broke the rules. One of the rules was not to break the rules. So, use both kinds. Goodbye, cruel world. Well, guys, I hope you enjoy, and please subscribe and like and do whatever you want to do in the comments. So, well, that's it. Bye.